Narrator, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial services, specifically a relatively new player called Relay. Now, if you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or freelancer, you've probably heard whispers about Relay's sleek online platform and its focus on helping you manage your business finances. But here's the real question: can Relay be your one-stop shop, or are there still some missing pieces? Specifically, does Relay offer loans? Intriguing sound effect. That last question is crucial. Loans are the lifeblood of many businesses, especially during those crucial starting phases. So, can Relay actually help you secure the funding you need to grow, or are you stuck looking elsewhere? Let's buckle up and find out. Transitional music. First things first, a little background on Relay. Launched in 2017, it's an online business banking platform designed to streamline your financial operations. Think of it as a command center for your business finances. They offer features like multiple accounts, organize your income, expenses, and savings with up to 20 accounts, including high-yield savings options. Debit cards, issue virtual or physical Visa debit cards for your team, perfect for managing expenses and building credit history. Seamless transactions, send and receive ACH transfers, wires, and checks, all within the platform. Integration power, connect with popular tools like Stripe, Square, and Shopify for effortless payment collection. Automation magic, set up automatic transfer rules to keep your finances on autopilot. Short montage of people using Relay's features on a computer screen. Sounds pretty impressive, right? Relay seems to have all the bases covered for managing your day-to-day business finances. But remember our central question: loans. Dramatic music sting. Here's the not-so-exciting truth: at the moment, Relay doesn't offer loans directly. They function solely as a business banking platform, focusing on helping you manage your existing funds. Disappointed sigh sound effect. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there are a couple of ways to look at this. On the one hand, it can be a bit frustrating, especially if you were hoping for a one-stop shop for both managing your finances and securing loans. Fast-paced, energetic music. But here's the flip side: Relay's laser focus on core banking functionality allows them to excel. Their platform is known for being user-friendly, secure, and packed with features that can significantly enhance your financial management. Think of it as this: by having a clear understanding of your cash flow and spending habits through Relay, you'll be in a much stronger position when you do approach a lender for a loan. Money clinking sound effect. Here are some resources Relay can help you with in terms of loans. Improved financial literacy. By providing a clear overview of your finances, Relay empowers you to make informed decisions and build a strong case for a loan. Stronger creditworthiness. Responsible management of your business finances through Relay reflects positively on your credit score, making you a more attractive borrower. Streamlined documentation. Having all your financial data organized through Relay makes it easier to compile the documents needed for loan applications. Scene of a person confidently walking into a bank. So, while Relay itself doesn't offer loans, it can be a valuable tool in securing them from traditional lenders or alternative financing sources. Transitional music. Narrator. In conclusion, Relay might not be your one-stop shop for both business banking and loans, but it can be a powerful ally in your financial journey. Think of it as the training ground that prepares you to conquer the loan application battlefield. Uplifting music fades. Narrator. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy growing your business.